My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
And Chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
I came in like a rainbow.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Right now, lick it good.
What the hell, dude?
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, 'cause